Today we would like to ask the Bharatiya Janata Party candidate from Porvorim, Rohan Kaunte, that what is the reason that in your affidavit you have revealed this time that there is a case pending against you under section 409 and 420 of the IPC and very serious section of the Mines and Minerals Development Act for illegal extraction of iron ore in Karnataka. If you have shown this case in this affidavit, we ask you a question that why did you not show this in your last election affidavit, because as per the documents this case was pending even last year. But on the other hand, you have repeatedly harassed All India Trinamool Congress candidate Sandeep Bazarkar ji from Porvorim. You have had him arrested twice and you have challenged his affidavit on false grounds, and we won that battle. And I can tell you that Mr. Rohan Kaunte, who is the BJP candidate from Porvorim, is clearly fearful of being defeated by the AITC candidate, and his blatant lies on oath in the affidavit. We will take legal advice on how to ensure that Rohan, who is the BJP candidate, must face legal action for it.